exciting. Let's see. First, probability and statistical inference. Robert Hogg, Elliot Tanis, 8th edition. It's just a basic stats book, so any basic stats book will do. First thing you have to know when dealing with statistics and probability is why the hell we even bother with it. Let's say we wanted to know the height of every American in the entire country. By the time we're done measuring it, people have died, people are born, people have grown, people have shrunk. So it's just too annoying. We can't do it. So the population is the group that we care about, but we're just going to pull out a sample. And since we're pulling out a sample, we're going to use this sample to estimate what the population numbers would actually be. So the actual population is going to have a mean and a standard deviation. And our sample is going to have a mean and a standard deviation. We have different terms because this is for a sample and that's for a population. So this is to estimate what that is. Also, we have to worry about probability. So probability of the thing, and that's just going to be possible ways we can do our outcome over all the total possible ways. And you don't usually want to simplify these because the fraction denominator does actually tell us something. Types of distributions. We've got normal, just looks like a hill. There's a bunch of stuff we'll have to go into about the normal distribution, but we're not there yet. We have uniform, which basically just looks like a rectangle. We have skewed. The tail actually points to which way it is, so if it's skewed left, then it's going to look like that. Skewed right, it's like that. And we also have continuous and discrete, but you taught math, so you already know those. And we have explanatory variables. And we have response variables. So your explanatory variables are the things you put in the model that you want to use to justify what's happening. Your response is what we're actually measuring. So if we're talking about stuff to improve math scores, then the response variable would be the math scores. The explanatory would be, studying or sleep or knowing things. So basically, this is like X and this is like Y. But we don't have X and Y because we're in stats now.